Hey friends, if you wish to switch between tabs in any browser using keyboard shortcuts, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now we have multiple tabs here. If I wish to switch between these tabs, all I need to do is press Ctrl plus tab. Okay, and this pushes me towards the next tab. And what if I want to go to the previous tab? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus tab to go to the previous tab. This is for any browser. So Ctrl plus tab for next tab. Control plus Shift plus tab for previous tab. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.